lounge around. Elliptical lounging, others only.
We on the boat. Do a spin for us. Oh yeah.
Styles closer now. Symmetrical, but in others only. Raining out. Infinite spots of others only. Then right back, smoke the stars. Feel it, found it, others only.
She be sipping.
What is she doing?
I'm just filming
I apologize
everything.
for like 2 minutes.
Yeah, right now.
Take a selfie. Boring person ever.
That is such a lie.
You've moved to how many countries and you say that you're most boring person?
Just because he's a traveler doesn't mean he's cool.
That's not what I meant.
No, but he is a cool guy. What do you want to say to the people, Brandon?
The people. The masses.
Yeah.
All the masses.
And the Mass. Jacob Mass.
Including Jacob Matt.
Hi, mine.
What is it? Smoke grass, skate fast, and eat ass. That's how it goes, right?
Naz, what do you have to say to the masses?
That what I meant by Brandon traveling is that he's got a lot of stories to tell.
Is that it?
And also, skate, smoke grass, skate fast, and eat ass.
Unless they were doing a
Is
real
that another
intense
message?
practice.
Wait, hold on.
Getting the fish tacos for sure,
Yeah?
but I read this wrong. So it says Arctic cod, but when I took off my glasses, I thought it said Arctic God. I'm eating Jesus tonight. Like, what does that mean?
Wait, we talked about
Back
this.
to the
Dude, we're talking about Jesus, but this time it's...
This time it's holy.
Yeah, are you sure about that?
So you're having Jesus? What about God and the Holy Spirit? Who's the other? Who's the
Well, God is the pico de gallo.
Oh my God.
The Holy Spirit is the tortilla chips.
Sophia Diaz? Hi. Hi, can you tell us a word for the masses? Yes? What? Do you have a word for the masses?
Ask like one Jacob Mass. No, it's just never. He has so many asses. He has so many asses.
No.
I think my word in your phone.
Bruh, you think of one word?
I just burped behind the camera. Oh. How what?
There we go.
Shakalufka?
I've seen God.
What does that mean?
Let's go fishing. Let's go fishing.
Oh my God, use me as bait.
Oh.
So I can.
It's time for your debut, Bella. What do you have to say for yourself? Yes.
To the masses. Hello, I had coffee today and everything hurts.
That's not good. It's all because of this man.
And ascended to a new level of.
It's all your fault.
No, yeah, I'm everything, but now everything hurts. Like my bones, I feel my bones and they don't like me right now.
Oh no. Okay, so basically what we had to do is arrest this man.
My feet are fine.
Yeah, arrest this man. Yeah, wanted. I'm putting a wanted poster right after this. Ready? Boom. Oh, I'm gonna go now.
My name is
Nice.
Montoya. You killed my father. Prepare to die.